This is the first video of Series 2. So this is Series 2, Episode 1. And today is the 6th of January 2022. In this video I'm going to be talking about Cirrus Logic, ticker symbol CRUS. And because I'm talking about a trade idea, I have to make this disclaimer. Everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to take action upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for all of your trading decisions. So before I start talking about this cup and handle technical pattern here, I've checked the earnings on this stock and I've checked the sales, so they all look good. It does look like a very strong stock, but the biggest thing going for it is the fact that it's in the semiconductor industry. So we have a strong stock in the semiconductor industry with a strong technical pattern, so I want to talk about it in this video. One other point to mention is that the earnings report is due at the beginning of February 2022, so just bear that in mind if you wanted to take this trade. So let me get cracking. This is a weekly time frame. Every bar is 1 week's worth of price action, and I've drawn this cup and handle just so you can get an idea of how big this is, because each bar is 1 week. So this is a big cup and handle, and if these do break out, they tend to be big movers. So that's a very strong point going for this stock. But now I want to go down to the daily time frame and show you that a bit more clearly. Let me do that now. So now each bar is 1 day's worth of price action. You can see this is almost a year old. I think it is a year old, this base. So this is a big cup and handle. People won't tend to see these, and it's a nice looking setup. Now the official buy point is a break of this high here. So I'll just start talking about that now. But there it is, guys. There's a beautiful cup and handles technical pattern there forming on this stock. If it breaks out, it's probably going to move. So now let me show you a different chart and explain a bit more of the technical setup that I can see. So this is the same stock, but I've removed the cup and handle. I've drawn in this flag. So this is the flag pole, and here's your flag formation here. And I've also drawn a horizontal line just so you can see where price has reacted to this stock in the past. So look how many times this area has been respected in the past. You can see it. I don't need to draw all the crosses in, but you can see that price, every time it's come to this level, it's reacting to it. So we've broken through it. It's a flag formation. This is the consolidation phase. So the official buy point for this to be a valid breakout of a cup and handle pattern is for price to reach $95.10. That would be a confirmed breakout on this stock. So you could trade that if you wanted to, and you could manage your risk by you take an entry here at $95.10, and your stop loss would be just below the this handle formation, which would be just down there. And so that would be a shorter term trade with minimal risk, and you'd just get out if the stock tanked back down to here. The other way to play it, and this is probably what I'm going to do. Now this is something a bit unusual. I'm trying to get an early entry on it, and this is not a confirmed breakout. This is just something I like to do. So just bear that in mind. The breakout, the official breakout, is $95.10. Then that would be a breakout stock, and you can trade it. And I've explained the where you can put your stop loss. But let me just show you one more thing. So I'll zoom in again. Let me remove some of this. Now, I'm personally going to try to buy this at $87.50 because we know that horizontal line. I showed you where prices respected it in the past. $87.50. But I like to position trade, which means I like to hold these positions longer than a few days. I like to hold them sometimes for weeks. So my trade idea personally will be a possible buy at $87.50. My stop loss will be at around $70, and my take profit will be just over $100. So it should be 1-to-1 risk reward. But I've shown you on the a minute ago that the official buy point was $95.10. That's for a confirmed breakout. What I'm now talking about is a slightly different thing, which is a unconfirmed breakout, but a kind of position trade. So at $87.50 or lower, I will be looking to probably buy this stock and take it up to over $100 or more.
So there's what I can see, guys. It's up to you how you act upon it. I've explained the official breakout point. I've explained this $87.50 level. And yeah, let's see what happens. It's up to you if you take action upon this trade. And I'll do another video as soon as I get time and as soon as I can find a decent stock to talk about like this one. Speak to you soon.